So welcome back once again. This is Kevin from Construction Scale Model Imports. Today we're going to do a video on a hydraulic excavator called HIDROMEK. So thanks for watching our videos. If you have any questions, please email us at info@csmi.com.au. Any of the models that you see in this video or any of our videos can be purchased from our website. There is a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and talk about this particular excavator. In this video, we'll just give you the dimensions of the box and the weight, and we'll show you the machine, and then in the other videos we'll carry on with the details about the machine itself. So the box weighs about 31 kilos. The total length is about 33 inches or close to a meter. The height of the box was 17 inches, 44 centimeters or 440 millimeters, and the width was 18 inches, 460 mil or 46 centimeters. Pretty well packed, didn't have any damage. I've already cut the box so that you can see the box itself. It's got two latches, pretty well packed. You got HIDROMEK, the company name. There was a styrofoam packing on the top, which I've taken out. The machine arrived quite safely, and I think I'll show you the internals. It's pretty well packed, so the machine will not get damaged in transit. Also, these are multiple layers itself, so it's quite easy to get the machine out of the box. You don't have to struggle and fight while taking the machine out, because remember, when they packed it, they didn't struggle and fight to put it in. So if you're going to take it out, you wouldn't need to struggle and fight to take it out either. Grab handles on either side of the box, so just makes it easier to move this box around. So I'll get rid of this box and we'll talk about the machine shortly. Get rid of the cardboard, put that aside. Now I did cut the machine a little bit earlier, the packing, so that it's easier for us to see, and I was curious to see the machine itself. Let's get the camera a little bit more closer. Sorry for the shakes. Okay, I'm just trying to focus the camera in. Okay. So once again, it's pretty well packed, as you can see. This is just on brown paper. It's actually foam, so it gives the machine a bit of more protection, so it's not just direct contact and absorbs any soft shocks inside the box when the machine is facing any jitters or shakes. Take this out. So some more foam packing for the boom. And we have a nice, well-painted, beautiful 9 hydraulic valve HIDROMEK excavator. Now, what's interesting about this machine is both the tracks are hydraulically driven. The car body is hydraulically driven. You got hydraulics for the boom, the stick, the bucket. You got a quick connect for the bucket to change your tooling, and you got 2 auxiliary lines for any tooling, for example a rock hammer or a demolition grab, which we will talk about, rotation or an opening function. There's only one speed control on this machine, and that is for the hydraulic pump. All the functions, like I explained, is fully hydraulic, just like the real thing. Now, so this is where we're going to stop on this particular video. We will come back in the next video and talk about more details about the machines, a little bit of the dimensions and the functions. We'll open up a little bit and discuss a little bit more about it. So as usual, thank you for watching. This is Kevin from Construction Scale Model Imports in Australia. If you're interested in this machine or any of the machines in our videos, you can buy it from our website, which is csmi.com.au. Thank you.